7 haram acts during Tawaf. Number 1, to perform Tawaf without wudu. Number 2, unveiling of a quarter of that part of the body which is included in sitr. For example, unveiling of a quarter of thigh is haram. Likewise, unveiling of a quarter of the ear or the wrist of an Islamic sisters is haram. Islamic sisters pay very little attention to this. During Tawaf, especially when doing istilam of Hajrul Aswad, a quarter of the wrists of several Islamic sisters is unveiled. Even sometimes complete wrist is unveiled, which is haram. Unveiling the ear or the wrist to a non-mahram male is haram, even besides Tawaf. For learning detailed rulings regarding Islamic veil, study Amir Ahl Sunnat's book entitled Zakhmi Saab and the beautiful booklet for Islamic sisters, Parde ke bare mein suwalo jawab. Number 3, to make Tawaf on someone's carriage or someone's back without a valid excuse. Number 4, to crawl or drag oneself while sitting during Tawaf without a valid excuse. Number 5, to make Tawaf in the opposite direction, keeping Kaaba at right side. Number 6, to pass from inside the Hatim during Tawaf is haram. Number 7, to perform less than 7 rounds, it is haram.